How to connect Squarespace domain to Base44. So just the general explanation on how you can do this. So if you wanna, you can start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard and then going ahead inside your settings. So once you press in settings, you'll get two options, which is either domains or the Google Workspace. Of course, what you're gonna have to do is just choose the domains option, and inside your domains, go ahead to your DNS settings. In your DNS settings and in your Base44 account, you can find the domain connection or custom domain section, and this will give you the DNS records you need. So it's going to be a CNAME type record or sometimes an A record, but just go ahead and get yours, and then you can copy those values you need carefully, so make sure they're exactly the same, and then you can go ahead to your Squarespace again and then add a new DNS record. Over here, go to your custom records and press on add a record. So with that, it's sometimes going to have a few, but once you add a new DNS record, and if Base44 provides a CNAME, you can enter the host, like let's say www, and then you can point it to the target URL Base44 gives you. So it's going to be specific on your situation. But once you're done, you can go back to your Base44 after adding the DNS records, and then you can verify your domain connection. And then the DNS changes can take a few minutes, up to 24 hours to fully propagate. So your site may not work immediately, but that's pretty much it. Once propagation is complete, your Squarespace domain will point to your Base44 app or site, and if it doesn't connect, you can double check for conflicting records like existing A or CNAME entries. Make sure you can go ahead and get rid of those first, and make sure all the values match exactly what Base44 gave you. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.